Tender lamb chops are pressure cooked to perfection with aromatic spices, locking in flavour and juiciness. A delicious balance of melt in your mouth, perfect as an appetizer, or eat with chapatis for main course. Cook for, you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Chops Fry. Take 6 lamb chops, or as many as you want. Add 150 grams curd, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, quarter teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, it's totally optional, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon coriander chili paste, 1 tablespoon tandoori masala, quarter teaspoon chaat masala, quarter teaspoon coriander powder, quarter teaspoon Szechuan chutney, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1 teaspoon oil. Combine well. Add some water. Mix well. Take 3 to 4 whistles in the cooker. Then dry the liquid masala. Remove it. Take 2 beaten eggs and dip the chops in eggs. Coat with breadcrumbs. Again, dip in eggs, then fry. Place chops in hot oil. If you want crispy, then coat with breadcrumbs again. In the end, then fry. Fry the chops. Flip and fry on the other sides too. Fry until golden brown. Once done, remove it. Our delicious lamb chops fry are ready to enjoy. Serve hot with rotis or eat as it is. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. See you in the next one. Happy cooking! Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.